항상 처음은 설레이지 널 보러 가는 길도 마치 구름 위지 너에게 하고 싶은 말을 생각하다가 나 이렇게 내가 바보라는 것을 알게 되었어 참 바보같이 머리부터 발끝까지 콩깍지가 쓰여낸 커피를 들고 햇볕 아래서 널 기다리다 내 마음이 녹은 것 같아 Let's go out in the sun 느낌이 왔어 이 리듬에 맡겨 발걸음에 맞춰 Fly with the wind 이 분위기를 타고 날아가지 못한 곳에
Hi everyone, welcome to another Korea vlog. Today I'm at the itaewon rooftop area because I want to visit this really cute cafe in the area. It has just a kind of puppy cake and it's so adorable. I'm literally so happy just looking at the cake. So I'll show you guys in 1 second. The cake is actually good. It's not just cute, it also tastes very good. Let me try the coffee as well. Very sweet. It's the kind of coffee that I like. I like sweet, milky coffee. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's 2:47 now. I'm not sure if you guys can see. 2:47 and then I have to get to another cafe by 3 p.m. to meet a friend. So I need to leave by 2:52 because I need to walk there for like 8 minutes. So I just got 5 minutes left to finish it. I know, hopefully I can finish it. So yeah, I have to be really quick now. Okay, I'll see you guys when I get to the next cafe. Ah, okay, it was locked. Thank you. 안녕하세요.
Every once in a while you seem to cross my mind. See your face in a stranger as they're passing by. I swear sometimes I can hear you from the other side. I can't make out the words, but it's a voice I recognize. One look at this photograph, the tears come flooding in my mind.
Hi everyone, it's 2 days later and today I'm in the Yongsan area. So Yongsan and itaewon Namseopyeon area is around like 30 minutes away from each other. So if you're watching this video, you can consider going to other places that I introduced in this video on one day if you travel to Seoul. So yeah, let me go to the first cafe of today. Just found the first cafe that I wanted to visit today. It's called Pachamama. This is the entrance and let's go in.
Life right now is a movie. Yeah. Wish the soundtrack was groovy. Too bad I'm frustrated, I'm moody. Yeah. Just need a happy ever after. Guess this was kind of fun when it all started going down. Walking around in PJs, nap on the couch, watching TV all day and spending time inside the house. Said it is all gonna be over by the end of May, but here I am, a face mask every day. The way this year is turning out, I might go big cliche.
Guys, I just entered this bakery cafe called Pachamama. All the pastries here look so good. It took me such a long time to choose which one here. Luckily today I'm very hungry, so I chose 2 pastries and also got myself a coffee. The first thing I got is this corn pastry. I've never tried a pastry with corns before, so I'm really curious about how it tastes. So let's try it. For some reasons, I thought this pastry is sweet, but it's actually savory. But it tastes so good. Like it has cream cheese under the corns, and then it tastes kind of spicy. I think there's like pepper powder on top of the corns, so it's really interesting. It's so delicious too. Because it's rum, I thought it might be a little bit bitter, but no, it's just sweet, but not too sweet. It's just the perfect amount of sweetness, and yeah, and pastry itself is so flaky. Let me try the coffee as well. The cream is so good. I love cream so much. Okay, today is a successful cafe day, and I think I'm gonna go back to the area where I live and go to the hangang park to catch a sunset. But I'm not sure if I can like make it in time to catch a sunset because my friend just messaged me saying that she's in my area today and she wants to like go see the sunset and ask me if I want to join, but I'm not in my area today, so yeah. But I'm not that far either, so I'll see if I can like catch a sunset in time. If not, I would just have dinner with her. So I'll see you guys later.
If I could tell you, I don't think you'd believe how long I felt this way.
Can't believe I've stayed here for a month already. I'm gonna miss this rooftop view. It's so nice, right? I like Seeing sunset and sunrise here is so nice of a rooftop in the apartment building. I just checked into my new Airbnb and this place is so cozy and so clean. I love it so much. So when I first entered this apartment, on this side, it's actually the bathroom. So there's a toilet here, a sink, and a shower area which is pretty spacious. So it's very nice. And then there's a mini kitchen here. On this side is the sink. There's also a electric stove, a washing and drying machine. And on this side of the mini kitchen, they have a electric kettle, a microwave oven, and a mini rice cooker. Everything they use is super cute. And in the living area, they have a small couch, a double bed, and a table and a chair. And on this side is the TV and TV bench. So I really like this room a lot. There's a lot of natural light coming in, and everything they use is like mostly white, very clean and cozy. They make this place super cute. So yeah, I look forward to my stay here.
Everything goes white. I can feel the breeze. Euphoric delight. Only you and me. Pour your honey, sickly sweet. Keeps me coming, got me weak. You could kill me, I'd still be. Darling, your number is 6 feet deep. Oh, it's real.